Rosie! She's swimming.
No, Nene. Pobrecita. Oh, she's wet.
Rosie!
By Belen.
Probably.
Yeah.
Where's Belen?
Belen. You're in Belen.
She's back in the water.
Oh, more ducks.
Her attempt at getting the ducks.
She's going to the ducks again.
Belen. Belen. You're in Belen. Come here. Uh-oh. She's getting hectic close. Woo! Belen.
Déjala. She's having fun. Déjala.
Yeah, but I don't want her to dry, though. I mean, drown. There she is. She's like swimming away.
Yeah.
She's lucky the current is really calm.
Yeah. Look, she's trying to get ducks again. Look at that.
Belen.
She's too.
Belen.
Se va a ir al otro lado de la orilla.
Yeah, I know.
Belén.
We're gonna have to go with the truck to get her then.
Belen.
Come on, let's go, Belén.
Come on! Belen!
She's coming.
Beleni!
Be cold.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that foot bag.
Exhausted.
I know, that's the thing. I don't want her to, drown if she gets tired.
Look, she's really puffing.
And now you can hear her.
Yeah.
Come on, Belen.
She's
Come on.
like a machine. She's designed for this. I think this is her environment. It's so funny.
It's too much. Belén, no.
Come on, Belen! Let's go! Come on!
You do it. Come on, Belen.
Come on!
Come on, Belén.
No, Kiara! Oh, I better move.
Good, Belén. Good.
Good job, Belen! Yeah! Woo!
No. Good, Belén.
Yeah, but did you get the ducks? Watch out! Watch out!
I didn't need a shower right now.
Oh,
Belén, no.
she's getting in the water.
Belén.
Belen.
I said we need to get the leash on her.
Belen. Come here.
No, she's coming back.
Come here.
That's where she belongs.
Belen. No. Come here. Right now.
Alguien
No,
dejó una
Belén.
bolsa ahí.
No, Belen.
Ahí va a retarla.
Mom, she wants Zupa.
No, sacaste mucho retarla.